Only pay for what you need. Liberty, liberty, liberty.
Hey guys, this is a Hubsan 501SS. I have added lights to it. I have done a lot. Still a work in progress. Little short video to show you what I've done, where I'm at, and what I'm trying to do for my buddy Drew. I call him Drew Drone because this guy, he comes back to me, I repair, I fix, and I enjoy it because I get to make videos about what he has and what he does. Great guy. And anyway, this is the latest project from Drew that he challenged me to do. So I bought a shell and I'm trying to transfer all the pieces to it and make it work. And plus, you saw the green lights in the slow-mo I did. That's an added bonus, just try to compensate for the fact that there is no extra lights to add to the front two arms because of the damage done. So, got a new shell. Went from a black shell to a white shell. So we'll see how it goes. It's fun. Gotta love Drew. He does challenge me, and I thank you guys for watching and love this hobby. And love everybody that watches this, and thank you so much. And let's have some fun. Let's go fly.